Let's create study materials the fastest way. From your dashboard, click the Flash Generate banner to get started in one click. First, choose your output format. You can also adjust the number of questions and the difficulty to fit your study needs. Select Matching Columns from the drop-down, enter your topic, and then click the Generate Matching Columns in One Click button. Your material is ready. Before you start, rate how prepared you feel for this topic to help you track your confidence over time. For an extra challenge, toggle on Timed Mode. You can even customize the timer to fit your study session perfectly. Select your confidence level, in this case, very confident, and then click the Start Practice button to begin the activity. Click an item in column A, then its match in column B. You can use the scratch pad on the right for notes. The default matching style is Draw Arrows. You can also click the drop-down to change the interaction method for your quiz. When you are finished, click Submit Test. Rate how you performed, and then click the final Submit button to see your results. Every try grows your learning power. To understand your mistakes, click Discuss with Aria for a personalized study plan. Or click Continue to Review. Here you can see a breakdown of correct and incorrect answers with detailed explanations for each one. After reviewing, if you need more help, just click the Discuss with Aria button to talk with your AI study coach. You're now in the Coach tab. Aria automatically starts a conversation about your recent quiz to help you improve your score. Aria gives you a breakdown of the concepts you missed and even recommends creating flashcards with an inline link to practice. To see your growth, navigate to the Assessments tab. Here you can track your average score and see all your recent activity. Finally, everything you create is saved in your library. Click any item, like this, Quiz Me on Plants, card, to practice again.